Welcome to FX Street. Today we are going to be talking about the 20% of possible profit for Dogecoin. But before we dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on all the trends in the cryptocurrency market. As said in an introductory statement, Dogecoin to the upside today, roughly at the moment 3.5 to 4%, but we had more this morning when the European session was very fairly on the steam. We topped around 6%. Expect this to continue throughout the US session, where we could possibly see some more investors diving in, and we could even see a 10% uprise today, which would then take the 13-cent handle, which would be a solid bullish signal, breaking some previous highs. And next to that, we have the relative strength index, making a sort of a knee-jerk reaction away from being oversold. So a lot of room to go to the upside towards the tops here at 59.60. Plenty of room then to wash out a few bears in the making. Because all in all, if we look on a little bit of a more broader spectrum, then we will see that all in all, this is a typical technical decline bear market where we have lower highs and lower lows going in. From time to time, a bit of a spike with the bulls trying to ramp up price and to reboot, of course, a bull run or a rally. But all in all, we have to go back to the October 5th, where the 55-day moved below the 200-day, and since then they have both been moving in tandem to the downside. So the pain not over yet for Dogecoin, but still, all in all, from the 13-cent handle, if we could reach that today, close around or above it, then the monthly pivots around 13 cents, 137 cents is in for the taking. That together with this green pivotal supportive trend line from all the way back to the falling knife action we had on April 24th of last year. So this double top, if that could be breached, we're in for 14 cents, maybe in 14 cents and 25, with the 55-day symbol moving average coming in, and then possibly 16 cents. But expect this area to be cleared once we see a further catalyst of the situation between the Ukraine, for example, and that catalyst could be signing of a peace agreement, Russian troops retreating or anything like that, that would spark a punch through this area all the way up towards that 60 cents. So that would mean if we go in for the moment and we go in towards the 60 cents, it would be a 31% profit for our trading portfolio. All in all, we're only talking about a ceasefire, of course. It's a starting point, but that starting point could be quickly winded back once troops start fighting again. Still on the table, the talk of nuclear weapons and possible further squeeze out of certain cities in Ukraine. So should the West come with more sanctions or retaliate even further, then expect this to do a break below the 11 cents. That's almost a low from the 7th of March, and then all the way back to the 25th of February, we would see a dip then below 11 cents towards the 10 cents 60, or even 10 cents, the figure itself, around the monthly S1 support level. Depending on the severeness, of course, it could even be that we see a sort of quick reaction all the way back to that 0.9, which was the top from the 8th of February 2021. So should we get there, which is could still be possible, as seeing the sharpness of the downtrend, it almost looks like inevitable that we will get there. But for the time being, expect that to be a fail-safe supportive system that will certainly trigger a bounce back upwards. But now for the time being, positive news, positive relief, turnaround in the market, and it would be good to see a continuation going further into the week with a possible 10-16 cents by the end of this week. That's it for Dogecoin. So please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter and FX Street Crypto.